Tales from the Pookies.
We got a doozy. Another Pookie caught stealing. This time we're over at Family Dollar. Just never ends, does it? Never ends. Let's get it.
Hey, Mr. Chambers? We'd like to speak with you, okay?
Look
You
at
know
him.
what in reference to?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take $1,600?
Nope.
Why did you take it?
$1,600.
Oh.
A new Family Dollar employee was trusted with a single security deposit worth $1,600. Hours.
So right off the bat, a new employee, $1,600. That's not a lot of money, but I guess to somebody like Family Dollar, that's equivalent to taking it from you and me. Us little brokies. You gotta think, $1,600 versus what he's about to have to pay. It's about to be a whole lot more.
Later, the money never reached the bank. When managers checked the logs and reviewed the footage, one thing became clear. He was the last person to handle it. And the deposit did.
What's the average daily intake for somebody like Family Dollar? $1,600 don't seem like a lot to be trying to deposit in the bank. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Is that your average take, or how does that work when you deposit $1,600? That seems quite small money just to run to the bank to deposit. Or unless they get robbed so often they try not to keep cash on hand. Depends on the location. It's probably most likely why.
Didn't just go missing. It was taken.
Hi. Officer Davis, Scottsdale Police Department.
Up her. Big dog.
So my boss had me to call y'all. Chambers stole a deposit in the amount.
My boss had to call y'all. Show him the gun line, boss. Right off the bat. You can already tell. She enjoying this. This gonna be a doozy.
$1,600. They wanted y'all to pick him up and arrest him.
So off the bat, we already know he's going to jail. She said they want to press charges. So all in all, this is probably a Family Dollar that doesn't do a lot of business. Because you gotta think, pressing charges for $1,600. I guess anything over $1,000 is a felony. So yeah, that makes sense. But for such a big company, it's like such a drop in the bucket.
So proof that he stole it?
We have proof on camera that he stuck the deposit in his pocket on Sunday. I have saw it, my boss saw it, and loss prevention have saw it.
So he stuck the money in his pocket on camera. Lord. On camera, bruh? You didn't look around and say, see all these cameras? You must really need that $1,600. Jeez.
He's about to run, I can tell you that.
She's enjoying this too much. You can see her facial expressions, her body language, just the way she's carrying on. She's enjoying this. It's like she's been waiting on this all her life.
Hold on just a moment.
Okay. Say his last name was?
What's his name?
Ma'am?
What's his name? What's his name? And he knows y'all called because of him?
Yeah. How much was it? 1643 and some change.
Do you know his birthday or anything?
they want to see what he put in his pocket also. But I'm finna let them see it, but they want to email it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. The state attorney's office is gonna need it.
He said it can't be emailed.
You could tell she don't. She's like, and she's one of those people who don't have a lot of power at home, but as soon as they get at work, I don't know if you've worked with a few of them. And they get that little power. That's like, hey, you, get out. Hey. See this badge? I'm in charge.
Can y'all put it on a flash drive?
Yeah, that's what he just said, a
Yeah.
flash drive. Okay.
That's fine.
No, I don't. Okay, they're about to talk to him first and watch the video, and then I gotta get it uploaded for him.
So keep in mind, she said her manager, I think, and loss prevention saw him stick the money in his pocket on video. Did he even try to be slick about it? He just didn't give a shit.
Okay. I think.
Our captain's on the way. I don't want to go to the back and him run out the front, and he's not fully certified yet, so I don't want something to happen to
Okay.
you.
She said he's not fully certified, so he must be like a rookie in training or something like that. Seems to be a little weird that he'd be not certified, but have a gun. Like he can't go to the back and watch the back, make sure the perp doesn't run out, but you can give him a gun. So like, what's the gun for?
Just in case.
I'm the biggest guy I've ever had to tackle.
That's not the point. It's more so,
Liability.
yeah, I don't want you to have to.
I don't want you to have to talk to me either.
Have y'all spoke with him? What has he said?
I spoke with him on. I just talked him into coming back in. He said
She's gonna have a story. I don't know. Girl, guess what happened today at work? This boy done got caught. I know what type of person she is.
he took it.
Oh, he admitted to taking it.
He told my boss no, but we saw it. He called me outside. He said he took it. If they'll give him an option to pay it back on Tuesday, he will. They don't want to give him an option. They wanted him arrested. So.
See right there? He took it, but said he can pay it back on Tuesday. Well, why didn't he just wait till Tuesday if we would have the money then? Now he's gonna have to pay back more than that. Plus, you're going to prison.
Okay. What makes you think he's gonna run?
Oh, he told me he was going to run. He said he wasn't going to stay here and go to jail. He's been in prison before.
You know what he's been in prison before for?
Drugs.
Drugs.
Damn, she know all his business. What does that got to do with him stealing his $1,600? Huh?
Dog.
He admitted it to you this morning.
Yes, he just admitted it about 10 minutes ago.
What did he say?
He said that good morning. He
This
said,
is the captain.
hey, Captain.
How are you?
I'd be better if I didn't have to deal with y'all.
He admitted it to her
He
and
just
told her that he was
He
gonna
said
run.
he took it.
Where is he at?
He's in the
We haven't
inside.
spoken with him yet.
What's his name?
Chambers.
Oh,
Been to prison
blackmail?
before
Okay.
for drugs.
Okay. He did admit it to you.
He just told
He admitted it, caught on camera, but 3 different people saw it. Like, come on, man. If you did it, you know you did it. Just say it. I would like to speak to my lawyer. You have an easier time letting a lawyer deal with it than to sit there and confess. They know you did it. It's on camera. But you'll probably have to pay less money out of pocket and do less time. Well, it depends on what the crime is. We're gonna do some time, but you'll do less time if you just let the lawyers handle it. Just say, I'd like to talk to my lawyer. That's all you gotta say.
Told me standing out here that he took it. He said he's not gonna tell my boss because he don't want to lose his job. They saw on the camera at 8:44 on Saturday.
He said he don't want to lose his job. That's why he didn't tell the boss. He don't want to lose his job.
Monday morning, he rolled the bag up and put the bag in his pocket. He left here at a little bit before 3.
Why didn't he
told us
just
that he took the deposit to the bank?
put the bag in his pocket after he left?
She dropped him off at the airport, a motel or something here.
Airport motel, yeah.
Okay, so he said he took it. He said he couldn't help himself. He got back on cocaine.
He offered to pay it
He
back.
said he'll pay
Cocaine?
back on Tuesday, but they don't want to.
I understand if it was crack, but cocaine? I didn't know it was cocaine was addictive like that.
No, I didn't want to leave Aaron up here with
You
him.
wanted my boss number?
Aaron, what's his name?
To your right, as soon as you walk in.
Here's your driver's license, ma'am.
Damn, she trying to... Saying that she called him her boss and not my supervisor or man. You can tell she on a plantation.
Mr. Chambers?
Yeah, you can tell they're gonna press charges for that little $1,600 because this is...
Hey, Mr. Chambers?
Oh, look how you come out of the back.
We'd like to speak with you, okay?
Look how you come out of the back. Hi. How can I help you? How can I help you? Whoa, look at that. $10.95 for some splashers. Jeez. That's expensive for Family Dollar. I always wonder why they call it Family Dollar. And nothing in there is $1. It's like going to the dollar store and then nothing's $1. Why is call it the dollar store?
Are you dumb?
You know what in reference to?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take $1,600?
No.
Why did you tell the other
Exactly.
person that you did, sir?
You're doing good.
Roger, you got
There's a video.
No, sir. Okay, you don't mind if I pat you down real quick? You ain't got a box cutter or nothing? No. Let me
No.
pat you down.
Captain
it's
A.
on
Perry.
video, so be straight with me, dude. I know you done been to prison. I know all that. And
Say no, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's happening. Can I speak to my lawyer? Can I speak to my lawyer? I have nothing to say. That's all. Whether you did it or you didn't do it, they got you on camera. They saw you do it. I'd like to speak to my lawyer. That's all I gotta say.
and we want this to go smoothly.
Yes.
We ain't want anything more than to
Yeah.
handle our business. Okay,
Hands on his hip.
Yes, sir.
I've been doing this a long time, and I understand that people get in positions. Okay.
They do the sympathy thing to get you confess.
Cocaine, bro. Okay. Is that true, Roger?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Cocaine?
So let's be straight with each other.
What's that?
Did you take that money?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Got your ass.
What I want you to do is turn around here and let this young man put some handcuffs on you.
Come on,
Go
bruh.
Ease out and go to my office. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. With no issue.
They don't care about you. They just want. You did the job for them. Look at her. Look at her. Why is she there? Why she don't put the handcuffs? Jesus.
That's a big old man. Be sure you double lock them cuffs so they don't shut down on project where you staying at.
But what, Mom?
You can call her. Who's your mama? 6'8", 5".
Oh, his mom.
Put him in the car.
Look at her. On the phone. She know ain't nobody on that phone. Household items. I love how they walk them down to household items. Oh. Doing the perk walk. Yeah, that's a lot. That's $1,600. A lot of money for this store. You can see barely any customers in here. Jesus Christ.
The employee was arrested
Uh-oh.
and charged with felony grand theft.
Felony
For now, the case
grand
remains
theft.
open and pending in the court system.
Well, you heard him. He got charged with felony grand theft. That's potential prison time. And you know the judge is gonna tack on since he went to prison before. He's already a felon. So he's probably gonna go back. So, you know, the amount of money he stole wasn't worth it. I mean, $1,600. He's gonna have to pay more than that. Not just in monetary value, but time and mental value. So let's do the math. $1,600. And you subtract what? Between 10 to, let's just say $30,000 for a lawyer. Because you're not facing a misdemeanor, you're facing a felony, and you're already a convicted felon. Now you subtract your restitution. You get on probation, you're going to have to pay probationary fees. So lawyer, restitution, probationary fees, if there are any. That $1,600 don't seem such a great idea. So don't be a pookie, because it's not worth it. Because if you get caught,
You're going to prison.